Welcome to the first lesson from Module 1, Operators. As a reminder, this is an interactive lesson, so I expect you to follow along by having this notebook open so that you can pause the video, write in the code, and also explore different types of code as well as you are listening. All right, so we're going to begin here by adding together two numbers. Let's just pick two numbers, 5 plus 9. And we will execute this with Shift Enter. So what we've formally done here is created an operation using the addition operator. So we're going to learn about many different types of operators. The addition operator is just one of the many available in Python. One thing to note about operators or operations is that they always produce a new value. So here the new value is 14. So there are many different categories of operators that we will cover in this module. So there are arithmetic operators, comparison operators, unary plus minus operators. These are kind of rare. And then there are Boolean operators. There's actually more operators in this, but these are the ones that we will cover in this module. And we'll begin with the arithmetic operators. So these are the simple and basic operators that you've used since grade school. We're going to cover addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and they all work by placing a number to the left of the operator and a number to the right. So there's always two numbers involved, and the operator is in the middle. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue along here. So the plus sign is what does the addition. We're going to use this hyphen or just minus sign for subtraction. Let's see that. So 123 minus 99, and so that does subtraction. This asterisk character does multiplication, not x. So let's say 4 times 86. All right, so a number to the left of the operator, a number to the right, and then in the middle we have the operator. And then we have this forward slash over here. This is the division operator. So let's say we have 476 divided by 80, we'll get this number right here. So those are the four arithmetic operators, and they should all be pretty straightforward. Some terminology I want to cover here is that, and this is it's not common to use this terminology necessarily, but it's just good to know all around in case it does come up. So if you take a look at an operation using arithmetic operators, there will always be two arguments. So I know this is kind of a funny word. Argument, it just means the numbers that the operation will use. So there are two arguments here. The first one is 123. The second one is 99. Sometimes they're referred to as operands. So we can classify different operators based on how many arguments there are. So all of the arithmetic operators have two and only two arguments. So these are called binary operators. So this is like another way to categorize them. There are two arguments, 1, 2. Binary just means 2. There are some operators that have a single argument. We call those unary operators. And there are other operators that have 3 arguments, and we call those ternary operators. There's a single ternary operator in Python that will be discussed in a later module. Okay, so that covers arithmetic operators and a little bit of the terminology behind them.